Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of the Gym Beginner Series. Today we're going to be doing a full body workout, so we'll be working both the upper and lower body. We'll be using 5 machines: the chest press machine, the leg press machine, the lat pull-down machine, the bicep curl machine, and the leg extension machine. We're going to perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps for each exercise. When selecting a weight, find one where the 10th or 12th rep is challenging, but you can still complete with effort. Then we're going to take 60 to 90 seconds of rest between each set. First, we're going to begin with a warm-up routine to get our blood flowing. This can be on any cardio machine of your choice. After that, we're going to be doing some dynamic stretches. I go over that routine in more detail in the video on the top right. Once you're all warm, you can get started on the next part of the workout. So here we are at the chest press machine. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 reps. Start by taking a seat. You need to adjust the seat height to a point where the handles are near your chest. So right here, I'm a little too high. Right here, I'm a little too low. So I'm adjusting it to where the handles are right at chest level. Make sure my feet are planted on the ground. And I want to select a weight where the 10th rep is challenging but doable. I'd say you can start at a lighter weight and then gradually increase until you see that the 10th rep is challenging. Once you found what that weight is, hold onto the handles, feet planted on the ground. We're going to push the handles away from us, extending our arms, but not completely locking them out. Slowly return back and repeat until we complete 10 reps. Once we complete 10 reps, then we can rest for 60 to 90 seconds, and then we can repeat for 2 more sets. So we're at the seated leg press machine. The leg press targets our quads, hamstrings, and glutes. So we're going to select a weight where we can complete 10 reps. You're gonna start by sitting down. You have the adjustment handle right over here. You're going to go until your knees are about 90 degrees. So our feet are shoulder width apart on this platform. So we're going to push through our heels to extend our legs, but careful not to lock out our knees. This is what locking out our knees looks like. Once we're here, we're gonna slowly lower back down to starting position. And then we're gonna repeat until we complete 10 reps. We're gonna rest for 60 to 90 seconds, and we're going to repeat for 2 more sets. So here I am at the lat pull-down machine. This is going to engage our back, shoulders, and arms. We're gonna go for 3 sets of 10 reps. Here, you want to adjust the seat height to a point where your legs are secure and your feet are planted on the ground. You set the weight to one where you can complete 10 reps. You're gonna reach for those handles. You're going to pull the handles down towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades as you come down. And then slowly return back up to the starting position. We're gonna go for 10 reps here. Once we've done that, we can rest for 60 to 90 seconds and repeat for 2 more sets. Now we're gonna head to the bicep curl machine. This one's sort of a preacher curl. And you're gonna adjust the seat height to a point where you can get your arms over the pad, so your armpits are making contact with the edge of this pad. And you wanna choose a weight where you can complete 12 reps. So you have your underhand grip here. We're gonna keep those elbows in place, resting on the pad as we bring our hands up towards our shoulders, lower down. You're gonna do this until you complete 12 reps. Once you finish 12 reps, you can rest for 60 to 90 seconds and then repeat for 2 more sets. Here we are at the leg extension machine. So we're gonna adjust the seat so our knees are aligned with the pivot point of the machine. Here it feels like we're a little too far forward. So you can use the pin to adjust the seat a little more back. So that way our knees are more aligned with the pivot point right over there. We're gonna select a weight where we can complete 12 reps, with the 12th rep being challenging. And our ankles are right underneath the pad here. We're going to extend our legs, but not completely lock them out, just to feel that stretch right there in the quads, and then lower down nice and easy. Then we're gonna do that again. Repeat until we complete 12 reps. Once we do our 12 reps, we're gonna rest for 60 to 90 seconds, and then complete 2 more sets. That completes the main part of the workout. If you have time, you can complete an ab burnout, which you can see in the video on the top right. Or if you need to finish up right now, you can go straight to your cool-down. A cool-down will help your muscles recover and improve your flexibility. For your cool-down, you'll perform a variety of stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. You can see the full routine in the video on the top right. So now that you've done a full body workout routine, check out the next episode for an upper body specific workout routine. Thanks for watching.